Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to make a gold sunflower. So I have these templates that I have in my Etsy shop, and I want to make a bigger flower, and I would like to use only 3 layers. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use the first 3 biggest petals as my template. So I'm going to use 1, 2, 3. These I'm not going to use this because I would like to make a bigger sunflower, and I only would like to make 3 layers of petals. Now I'm going to trace 12 of each. You have a choice of to make. If you want to make more than 12 petals each layer, that is totally fine. There is no rule in that. It's all up to your preference. So let's get started on tracing this pattern or these templates. Alright, now I'm going to trace my second biggest petal, and I'm going to use the empty spaces here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna cut them into layers, so I will have 12 petals each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 of those. Now I need the smallest one. So I still have room that I could use for these, so I'm gonna go back and use that. This is to save some cardboard or cardstock, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I traced 6 petals of each size, and when I cut them, I'm gonna cut them into layers, so then I will have 12 of each. So here we go. We're gonna start cutting. My first one, my pen did not work very well, but I can still see it, so it's fine. So this kind of sunflower has pointed petals. So now I have my three different petals. I have 12 of each size. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to get ready my center. So this is the pattern paper. This will be the one that I'm going to use in to put in the center of my gold flower. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to fold it in half. Actually, you're going to fold it into 4 equals piece, and then you're going to cut it into 4 strips. Alright, now you're going to stack them up together and fold it in half like this. Once it's folded in half, you are going to cut tiny little strips right here. Don't cut all the way to the end. Leave like at least 1/4 of an inch, just like this. See? Alright, so you're gonna cut. So I am done cutting the whole thing, and now I'm gonna separate them. So I will have four of them. And the next thing that you are going to do is roll it just like this. You could use either pencil or pen. This one I'm using the glue, so because you're just gonna take it out anyway, but this is how you will start it. I'm gonna put just a little bit of hot glue so that will stay. All right, put a little bit of glue again, just so that thing will stay. Now where you're going to get your next strip and a little bit of glue. And then you just have to roll it. Teeny tiny bit of glue. Oops. Okay, those are the 4 strips. And this should be ready for my sunflower center. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to do next is get our cardboard for the circle and other things. So for my base, I have this cardboard box, cardboard, and then I have teeny tiny cardboard also, and like one piece of 3 inches ribbon. So what I'm gonna do is this ribbon is you're going to put it in the back of your base so you can hang your flowers into a hook or something. You could also stick this flower onto the wall by using sticky tack. So there we go. Okay, so now I am ready to put my flowers. First thing I want to do is I just want to lay down my biggest petals. I'm not going to glue them yet, so I know how I'm going to lay it down. So I have 12 petals, so I'm going to figure out how to distribute my petals evenly. The first layer is very important, so you really want to make sure you layer you spread your petals evenly so that your next layer of petals will follow. So I just lay it there and it's not secure yet, so now we're going to so now you have an idea of how you want to lay it there when you glue them together. So we're gonna get started here. We're going to glue our sunflower petals or gold flower petals. Here's my first layer of petals. Now we're going to do the second layer. Okay, now we're gonna do our third layer, which is our last layer also. Okay, now I'm gonna put the center. I'm gonna push it down to the side so it will spread a little bit. Okay, and this is done. And this is how it looks in the back, so you can hang it, or you could use a sticky tack to stick it into the wall. Thank you very much for watching. This is Rovelyn M. Whistler, owner, designer, and creator of Handmade with Love. See you in the next video. Bye.